Howdy ho, Arkansas Pilgrim here with my first mail call. Now, I've received mail before and done a video on it, but that was when I won a prize. This time, I've just been sent something out of the blue, and I'd like to give shout outs for both of the YouTubers that have sent me things. They are both beautiful, wonderful women homesteaders, and the first one is Simply Jan Homestead. Now, maybe we should call her Smiling Jan Homestead, because she's always smiling and cheerful, and you need to go check her channel out because they've always got something going that's kind of fun. And she has an alter ego also, who I call Lucy Fawcett. Everybody else calls her the Loose Fawcett, and that's just kind of a heads up if you go check her channel out, because she's got this character that was kind of came out of, well, John from Will It Grow and Shed Wars, trash talking. That's something you guys should check out too if you haven't seen it before. Shed Wars. My gosh, how many rabbit trails am I going to go off on this? Anyway, Jan's really fun. Go check her channel out. But let's see what she sent me. Actually, I already know what she sent me. I actually got this several weeks ago, and I'm finally getting around to doing a video about it. But she sent me a nice, wonderful letter, which I'm just going to keep for myself. But she also sent me a Simply Jan Homestead sticker. Thank you, Jan. You're the greatest. I also got a package from Sara from the Big Blue House Homestead. You need to check out Sara's channel. There's going to be links in the description. I don't know if you've ever heard any of those silly things where they give news reports about people that do really stupid things. And when I listen to the advertisement says, "Listen to this and you'll feel better about yourself." Well, if you go to Sara's channel, that's not going to apply, because she does seemingly everything. She's got this great garden. She grows like 50 different types of tomatoes, and then she sells tomato plants. She apparently sells seeds also. She does canning and preserving and cooking, and she's an artist also. She does sculpting and all kinds of stuff. You need to go check her channel out. But we were recently talking about gardening. Been trying to get some tips from her because she does all kinds of great stuff. And she said she was going to send me some seeds, and she has. And, oh yeah, these are neat little seed packets. These must be the seed packets she uses to sell her seeds. Let's see, I got, she sent me a card. Oh, okay, yeah, we'll keep that for myself. And here we've got pepper seeds. Giant Chinese pepper. That sounds great. I didn't have real good luck growing peppers, and I also couldn't even get any seeds, a year ago. Actually, a lot of people had that trouble. I couldn't even get regular old run-of-the-mill bell pepper seeds. So she sent me an assortment here. Korean dark green pepper. Can be eaten green or red for your kimchi. Oh, yeah. She's going to give me, I think she already gave everyone lessons. Well, I'll have to double check, but on how to make your own kimchi. I love kimchi, but I'm too cheap to buy it from the store because it costs too much. Marconi peppers. If I remember correctly, these are exactly what I'm looking for. And Thai red roselle. Easy to grow. Hey, I definitely need that. And Ashe County pimento. What a haul. Thank you very much, Sara. I really appreciate it. So, and God bless you. And God bless you, Jan. And God bless you all. See you next time.